Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights on the KLM application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the buy now button down below, and then you should select from these options at the top, round trip, one way, or so on. Then tap on the departure city button at the top and type in your departure point. Then click on your destination, arriving at, and then click on this third button, whether you would like your flight to be economy, premium, comfort, business, or la première. Then tap on the choose dates button. Here you can select date and then select your return date. Then tap on confirm dates, and then you should choose an outbound flight. Here you can find the relevant ones, and you can also apply filters at the top if you would like to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.